thank you for joining me today. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to make this rustic star in 2 minutes. It's part of a collab that I'm involved with. Down in the description is a link and a playlist of other content creators showing you 2-minute how-to videos winter theme. And I thought this star would be perfect as a winter theme for Christmas time. Stick around, I'll show you how I do it. First thing you're going to want to do is going to cut one edge of it at 36 degrees. Take your small cuts, put it in one pile. Your large cuts, put it in. What we want to do is we want to take a large and a small, and you want to put the 36 degree bevels together. I'll put it together here real quick so you can see. There you have it, a rustic star, 2-minute creation. So, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to check out the playlist below where all these other content creators are going to have you 2-minute how-to videos, winter theme. Thanks for stopping by. The Bearded Woodworker, I'm Gary. I'm out. Merry Christmas.